my crafty friends. Today we are going to focus on birthday cards. So a new year is coming, which means we are all going to need a few birthday cards, right? So I am kicking off the new year with a little birthday bash for card makers. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, I will share 3 fun little birthday card ideas featuring some new products from the upcoming catalog. I will also share some details on how you can get in on my birthday card making club so that you can start off the new year with 36 birthday cards that are all ready to send out. Now, the cards in this video feature the new Birthday Bonanza, Country Club, and Birthday Jubilee products from the 2020 Stampin Up Occasions Catalog. But keep in mind, you can create all sorts of fun birthday cards with any supplies that you have on hand. Just get creative with it. By the end of this video, you will have 3 birthday card design ideas and the opportunity to make 36 more. For the latest card making ideas, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Now, I typically make, on average, about 10 to 15 birthday cards each month. Some of them I use right away, and some of them I save for upcoming birthdays. So how many birthday cards do you typically make per month? Leave me a comment below. Okay, so first let me tell you a little bit about the Birthday Card Making Club. Now, it's a 3-month club which will run from January 2020 through March 2020, and it features, of course, all birthday cards. And you might have noticed that this is the same time frame as the Stampin' Up! Celebration and the launch of the new mini catalog or the Occasions Catalog. So Celebration means that you will qualify for free stuff each month that you decide to participate in the club. So you can participate in 1 month or all 3 months. The choice is really yours. Now, if you decide to participate in all 3 months, you will also be able to choose a host stamp set for free upon completion of the club. Now, club members will receive a goodie package every month with over $50 in new products, a card making kit for 12 cards, so 3 cards in each of 4 different designs. You will get a printable tutorial, which will include 4 bonus card ideas, and of course, a free celebration item. As with all of my clubs, there will be surprises included in each goodie package as well. Now, by the end of the 3-month club, you will be able to create 36 fun birthday cards, and you will have them all ready to go. Plus, you will have some extra card ideas and some extra products to create even more birthday cards. So to learn more about the Birthday Card Making Club, you can visit my website at stamptasticdesigns.com. And be sure to reserve your spot soon because January is right around the corner. So next, I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the 3 different product suites that are part of the club. I will also share some bonus card ideas with you. Okay, the first product suite that we're going to feature in the Birthday Card Making Club is called Birthday Bonanza. And this product suite is full of bright colors and fun pattern papers that are perfect for birthday cards. Now, club members will receive 12 sheets of the Birthday Bonanza Designer Series paper, which you see here, the Bonanza Buddies stamp set, and the Bonanza dies, 2 yards of the Daffodil Delight 1/4-inch ruched ribbon, a whole container of assorted pom-poms, there's 100 pieces in here, and 5 printed gusseted bags, 12 envelopes, and of course a card making kit so that you can create 12 cards, 3 of each of the 4 different designs, and you will receive a celebration item for free. So this is the metallic baker's twine and sequins combo pack, and so it matches everything in this suite perfectly. Now, the suite does have a kids theme to it with some adorable little animal images in the stamp set and in the designer paper. However, you can create a variety of cards for kids or for adults. So here are just a couple examples of the versatility of this set. So clearly one of these cards is more kid focused and the other one is more general and can be used to create birthday cards for anybody. Okay, the second product suite featured in the Birthday Card Making Club is called Country Club. And this product suite is full of golf-themed products, some fun plaids and argyle pattern papers that are perfect for masculine-themed birthday cards. Now, club members will receive 12 sheets of the Country Club Designer Series paper, which you see featured here, the Clubhouse bundle, which is the stamp set, and the Golf Club dies, as well as the Country Club wood elements. Now, I've used some of these, so you will get a full pack of the elements. So there's 3 different styles here, as well as the Country Club twine. So there's 4 different colors, and you'll get 2 yards of each of the 4 colors. And you'll get 12 envelopes along with the card making kit. Now the kit will include all of the cardstock and everything you need to create 12 cards. You will also receive a printable tutorial featuring 8 different card ideas, so there'll be 4 bonus ideas in this one as well. And the free celebration item is a stamp set called Sending You Thoughts. Now, although the suite does have a golf theme to it, you can still create a variety of non-golf or golf-related cards using the products in this suite. So here are a few cards just to give you an idea of the versatility. Okay, and the last bundle that I feature in the Birthday Card Making Club is called Birthday Jubilee. So this time I decided to combine a product bundle with some of the other products from a different suite in the catalog to create more feminine style birthday cards. So as a club member, you will receive 12 sheets of the Best Dressed Designer Series paper, which is what is featured here. The Birthday Jubilee bundle, which is the stamp set, and the Jubilee Beauty dies. 2 yards of the Mint Macaron 1/8 inch sheer linen ribbon. An entire pack of the champagne rhinestones. Of course, the 12 envelopes and the card making kit so that you can create 12 birthday cards with this package. And the free celebration item will be the Happy Birthday to You stamp set. Of course, you will also receive a printable tutorial featuring 8 different card ideas. Now, this particular product suite has more of a feminine style to it. So here's just an example of a card that I created with this particular suite of products. Okay, so now that you have an idea of the products that will be featured in the Birthday Card Making Club, let me show you a few quick and simple cards that you can create with these products or with any products that you have on hand. So I'm going to use the exact same card design to make all 3 cards. So the cards feature what I like to call a panel card design. So you're going to start by creating the base of your card. So cut a 5.5 by 8.5 inch piece of cardstock. Score the 8.5 inch side at 4.25 inches. Next, cut a piece of your favorite pattern paper at 5.25 by 4 inches and adhere it to the card front. Now, the focal point for the card are these 3 panels. So to create them, you can use the stitched rectangular dies or simply cut out some rectangular shapes with your paper trimmer. Now, the shapes measure 1.5 by 2.75 inches. Adhere the 3 panels to your card front using a few dimensionals and then decorate them as desired. For this particular card, I am decorating them with some of the fun products from the Country Club suite. I also used this same panel card design to create 2 additional cards. This one was created with products from the Birthday Bonanza suite and was inspired by a design in the new catalog. And this card was created with the Birthday Jubilee bundle and the pretty pattern papers from the Best Dressed Designer Series paper pack. So these are quick and simple card designs that you can use with any pattern papers or products that you have on hand. So get creative with it. And for more panel card designs, simply click on the link featured at the top of your screen. So there you go. Now you have a few different birthday card ideas that you can use with any supplies you might already have on hand. Plus, you have all the details on my new birthday card making club, so I hope that you will consider joining. And if you enjoyed these card ideas, feel free to download the printable tutorial. You can find the link in the description below this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave me a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the cards shared here today. Have fun getting creative, take care, and I'll see you soon.